Welcome RaveRunners, congratulations, you have now joined the RaveRunner squad. The following video will entail how to set up your RaveRunner and change the bladder if needed. Step 1 is we advise to fill up your RaveRunner with water. This will ensure that the bladder has not been damaged while in transit. If it has been, we will happily send you a new one. Second, get familiar with the pockets. There will be one hidden pocket on the shoulder strap, another hidden pocket on the back panel, two side mesh pockets that we have just extended to fit a full-size water bottle, and an outer pocket to put gum and other non-valuable products. Finally, we have just added another secret pocket on the back of the hydration cover flap. Next, we advise that you cut your hydration tube to your desired length. I personally don't like it flabbing around. All you do is 1, remove the nozzle by simply pulling it hard and wiggling it out. Second, go ahead and cut to your desired length. I recommend putting the backpack on to truly see how it'll work. Cut as straight as possible with a good pair of scissors. Discard the other tube, and then go ahead and put your nozzle back on. This is not easy, and it should be a very snug fit. Ensure that each of the 3 notches have been covered by the tube. Next, we are going to thread our light string wire. Go ahead and take the light string wire out of the package and straighten it out as much as possible. From the back, you will see an access port. Go ahead and take the light string wire and thread it through. Pull it all the way so that the black cord is just at the end on the inside. Then go ahead and do the second wire. Go ahead and ensure that the access port is cut well by getting scissors and slightly slicing it open more. Now, starting with one of the wires, go ahead and follow the loops all the way around the backpack. Now do the other side. Now that we have that complete, go ahead and take your battery pack, insert 2 batteries, attach the splitter, and then attach each EL wire to each part of the splitter. Bang, bang. You'll have 3 different modes: solid, blinking, slow blinking. I like to remain with the fast blinking. What I like to do with my battery is put it in the top panel here that is then velcroed to the other part. This way it will not fall down and into the bag. Next, let's work on our solar charger. Go ahead and take that out of the bag. I usually like to keep the charger in the bag just in case I need to charge during the weekend. Peel off your Velcro, and while this sticky is pretty strong, I like to add an extra safety of super glue in case I'm going a little too hard on the dance floor. Go ahead and take the back side of your solar charger and press it on firmly. Any excess Velcro I like to snip off. Go ahead and remove the Velcro piece and attach your solar charger like so. Finally, if you have an underglow, go ahead and detach the bottom housing and slide it in. Remount. Voila. Finally, I'll show you how to replace your water bladder if needed. Go ahead and unscrew the cap and remove the black cap. Go ahead from the inside of your bag. Simply grab the bladder and give it a strong pull. Can be removed. The hard part is putting the bladder back in. The bladder is in very tight and it's not too easy to get back in. Once you get it done, it is sure to stay snug. Go ahead and get any wires out of the way by turning off your EL wire and detaching the battery. Get the white plastic back in. Now you need to ensure that the white lip sticks on the outside. What I like to do is grab a flathead, get it under that lip, and lift it up over the black and slide it across. Now that the white lip is clearly on the outside of the bag, go ahead and put your cap on. Now, we have to get the black cap under the white lip. Again, use your flathead to siphon the black lip under the white cap. Now, go ahead and screw your cap back on. Finally, go ahead and adjust our athletically inspired chest straps to ensure a snug fit on the dance floor. Thank you for watching our setup video. You are now ready to go rage, party, and adventure wherever life takes you this weekend. Thank you.